Welcome to Mirror of Ideas. This is Abhilasha and today I am here with all the secrets of Hubli, Karnataka. Before starting my video, I will request you to kindly subscribe to my channel so that you can receive latest update on informative and interesting videos related to beautiful location, budget friendly items and many more things. Hubli, officially called Hubali, meaning flowering creeper, located in northwestern part of the Indian state of Karnataka. Hubli is also fastest growing city next to Bangalore. The city is commercially strong and has been given the name Chota Mumbai. Hubli Dharwad are twin cities and are also selected for smart city. Together, they are known to be the second largest conurbation in Karnataka in terms of area as well as population. Talking about the climate, then Hubli climate is wet and dry. It has a relatively pleasant weather from October to February, which is also considered to be the good time to visit Hubli. Kannada is official language of the city followed by English and Hindi. Coming to transport services in Hubli. Hubli is a headquarter of Southwestern Railway. Hubli has well established rail network and Hubli is well connected with different parts of India. Station is also well maintained and equipped with modern facility. Hubli Airport is international airport serving the twin cities of Hubli and Dharwad located in Gokul Road. Hubli bus stand is also very big and is well connected with number of cities within a state and outside the state also. Blue color Chigari buses are best mode of transport within city. Talking on the cuisine of Hubli, then Joloda roti made of jawar prepared here is simply delicious. It does not only taste good but also make you feel satiated. Girmit is also popular snack item available here. Coming to tourist attraction in Hubli. Here is a look at the famous places in Hubli. Chandramoleshwara temple is a famous temple dedicated to Lord Shiva. This is 900-year-old temple built during the Badami Chalukyan era situated in Unkal area. Siddharuda Mutt that was set up in the loving memory of Sri Siddharuda Swami is one of the main tourist spots in the city. Several people visit the place every year. Nuptunga Hill, beautiful picnic spot in Hubli. It offers beautiful sunset and nice city views. Indira Gandhi Glass House Garden that includes a huge glass building. It has number of recreational amenities and is well maintained properly by city municipality. Unkal Lake, beautiful water spot in Hubli, offers various recreational facilities such as boating, bird watching, etc. Beside this, ISKCON Temple, Radhakrishna Temple, Sai Baba Temple, Holy Places and Gangubai Hangal Memorial Musical Museum are also worth to visit. Near places to Hubli, within range of 100 km, you can see number of places like Dharwad Adventure Base, which is really a fun adventurous place where you can do water jobbing, rope activities, etc. Agadi Thota and Tibetan camp, which is about 60 km from the Hubli, is a best place to see the Tibetan camp, to see the culture of Tibet. Next is Dandeli, which is about 100 km from the city, is also a very good place to explore water activities and the wildlife. Friends, I have prepared separate videos for each and every location. Malls of Hubli are Urban Oasis Mall, then U Mall, Reliance Market, Reliance Smart and many other places you can go and get good brands in Hubli. Talking on education, then Hubli along with Dharwad is an education center in Karnataka, having number of educational institutions including one of the 16 IITs. KLE is a famous institution there. Rani Channamma Circle is also called heart of the city. Mishra Peda retail chain is famous for getting Indian snack and sweet. Dharwad Peda is famous in this region. Hubli local market called Durgat Bel is also very famous for getting each and everything, just starting from earrings to saris, everything you can get over there. It's a beautiful market to explore the South Indian culture. You one can't forget to tell you about the Hubli or South Indian saris which you can get from the famous sari shop in Hubli. This was a small glimpse of the city. Hope you will like my video, and if you like my video then do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget the bell button. Friends, post a comment that how do you feel about the video and about this beautiful city. Thanks a lot for watching my video. Thank you.